Hi, this is William Ramsey. The following video I titled The Las Vegas Massacre in a Bone-Chilling Moment. What I'll do first is play the entirety of the clip. It's 1 minute long. Then I'll make a few observations and point out the bone-chilling moment.
It's on the outside, I promise. It's on the outside, honey.
At the very beginning of the clip, you can see a man sheltering a woman on the ground. He looks like a very large man. I believe that could be a victim, Chris Hazencombe, who died using his 6'5" body to protect his friend's wife. And you'll see him again at the end of the clip.
Outside, I promise.
Then later on in the clip, on the lower left side, you'll see two people helping what looks to be an injured woman out of the kill zone located at the front of the stage. Right after that is a police officer. Some have claimed that he is shooting his gun, but if you watch this clip in slow motion, you can see that he does seem to be raising. He ducks down at the same time as the rest of the crowd in response to a flurry of bullets. And there's no report from the gun. You don't see a flash or anything like that. You can see it right here. The following sequence is what I referenced as bone chilling at the beginning of this video. If you follow the arrow, you can see a mother taking her young 8 or 9-year-old child back into the kill zone. The mother and daughter disappear into the crowd in front of the stage, and the shooter unleashes another volley of bullets. While this girl runs for her life under a hail of bullets, she films using her iPhone. And the person who looks like Chris Hazencombe has not moved from his position for 1 full minute. Thank you for watching. Please share this video and subscribe.